Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you another journal that I've completed. This journal here is using ARTYmaze's new journal kit called Iris Flowers, and I will link that below, so please go and take a peek. It's a very pretty kit. So the journal itself measures 8 inches by 5.5. It has one signature. It has 108 pages front and back. I've used a clasp envelope for the cover, and one of the pages from the kit on the front and back cover. Made a pocket here using one of the journal cards on the pocket. Got some crocheted trim here, some flower trim with these little blingy bits on there. There's some lace trim on the spine with some crocheted trim going down the centre. Got some bead dangles, and we've got some lace trim on the edges of some of the pages. So let's go inside. I've just tied it in a knot. It's bound to happen one of these times, isn't it? There we go. Ta-da! So let me make sure I'm in frame. So all the printed pages are from the kit. Very pretty, aren't they? So as normal, I never cover these over because they're too pretty to. I might paper clip things onto them, but I don't actually cover them over. So we have got a pocket here, which has a journaling card, a tag, some ephemera, and then some more ephemera that I had in my stash. And this is one of Terri Wood's flip out Doobie and Reflect pages. So there's plenty of places to journal on there, and then that all just slots back in. I think that's how it went. So I've just made a paper clip there just to hold this closed. Let me see if I can stretch around and put that back on. There we go. So we've got a doily. I've used printed out the same paper that I used on the front cover. I printed that page out twice, and I made some tags with it. Got a paper bag. There's some like a ledgery type paper there. Done some edge punching. Put on some of this lace trim. I only done a little bit of stenciling in this one, which basically was on the reverse of the printed pages. So we've got a pocket here from the kit. There's an envelope there. There's nothing in the envelope, so you can tuck something in there. Another tag and an ephemera card from the kit. I've used some Edith Holden book pages. There's some music paper there. Some lined paper. The paper is actually, is it coffee dyed? Yeah, it was coffee dyed. I've done some of this today and dried it outside, so it's got a nice feel to it. Here we've just got a tag from the kit, another tag that I made, and just a little piece of ephemera that I had in my stash. And then this flips out. Again, another Terri Wood's creations. I've actually, I don't know if anyone's done it, but I've actually made a little flip page myself, which I'll get to in a minute. But I haven't seen anyone do it, and I just thought I'd try something different and come up with it. So I've got another tag here in a paper bag, some more of this ledger paper. This is so nice. I like the you know, the blue and the kind of lilac-y colour that's just hinting in there. Pocket here from the kit, and we've got a tag that was just in my stash, and this is just a little double journaling card from the kit, and that just pops in there. An Edith Holden book page, some music paper, some squared paper, another lovely page from the kit. Right, this is what I come up with. So we've got a tag here, another tag, another piece of ephemera that was in my stash. This is paper clipped on just to hold that in place. If I can get that off, there we go. Ugh, paper clips. Ugh. This is a little fold out that is it Gi Kerr had done, so I will link her below as well. I've seen Paula Lemon do it, but she had linked where she'd got the idea from, so that just folds in there like that. That's so cute. So I've got another one of them in there. So this is just a little flip out like that, Just a little simple flip out. Now I had to actually cut the paper down to size to fit my page, but I've got an example here which is way big, but this was like an A4 sheet of paper. So, this is me just trying it. So what I done was I kind of folded it in half, then I folded these into the middle, then I folded that bit down, and then I just folded that bit up. But obviously when I wanted it to fit this page, I think I wanted it to be four and a half this way, so it was just 9, is that right? Yeah, 4.5, double it over, which is 9, and then folded it in half, and then folded the centre pieces in, folded them down and folded it up, and then it fit on the page perfect. So that's how I done that. Let's put all this in again. I thought that was a nice genius little idea as well. So, and that goes in there, that pops in there, and then the paper clip is actually only paper clipped onto this so that it kind of keeps it all together a little bit, just like that. You could decorate that up, but then it could be writing space as well. So we have more pages just to journal on. Centre of the signature with the bead dangles. I've used blue beads on this. We have got ephemera, a tag, journaling card from the kit. This is from ARTYmaze, but not from that kit. She's recently just done like a journal cards kit as well, which is on her Etsy, so you can look that up. Another postcard here, journaling card, which was upside down. It's just got like faint lines on it, that ledger. A tag, and this was just in my stash, so that was all in there. We've got a belly band here with another postcard from ARTYmaze, an envelope from ARTYmaze. There's nothing inside the envelope, and this was just in my stash. Didn't use it in like my last journal, so it got put in here. Another pretty page from the kit. Some music paper, Edith Holden, pocket from the kit, a tag, that's all pretty. Another tag that I made, a little envelope here with a journaling card inside of that, and that just goes on there like that. That page is so pretty. That's very much like this here on the front. So lots of places to journal, like I said. Here I've just made a flip, and I've just made the tuck so that that tucks in there. There's a doily on there. There's another one of these hearts that folds out. It's so easy to do. And another piece of ephemera. Oh, everything's just going skew with. Page from the kit. Here we've got a little library pocket and a library card from the kit, and I just paper clipped that on. And we've got a tag from the kit here, just paper clipped on. Some lined paper, some music paper, Edith Holden, another pocket from the kit, journaling card from the kit. This is from ARTYmaze but not from the kit. A tag and another tag from the kit. Nearly at the end. And this is one of Terri Wood's flip up pages again, and some that's from ARTYmaze as well. A tag, another tag from the kit. So that's one of these ones that just flips out, and I've done some stenciling on that, and that just all pops back in there. Just like that, and that is the back. So that's the journal. It will be listed on my Etsy if anyone's interested. you'll find the links to that below as well. Oops, oh, I'm rubbish at doing this on camera. So there we go, that's the journal. All links will be below, so please go and check them all out. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.